Looking to run your trading bot in 2026 and actually make consistent profits? Choosing the right broker is just as important as choosing the right bot. Pick the wrong broker and you can blow your system even if the bot is profitable. Today, I'll show you the 5 best brokers for bot trading in 2026. Tested, verified, and used by our team. Hey traders, I'm Sam, and in this video, we're breaking down the brokers that can actually handle automated trading without issues like slippage, slow execution, or withdrawal delays. We'll cover their strengths, unique features, and even bonuses so you can make a smart decision before funding your bot. Let's dive right in. 1. Blueberry Markets. Top on our list broker for bot trading in 2026 is Blueberry Markets. Here's why we recommend them. Ultra low spreads, perfect for bots. Fast deposits and withdrawals. No swap fees. Hold trades as long as needed. Fully regulated broker. Fun fact, the owners of Blueberry also funded the second largest prop firm globally. That's how serious they are about credibility. Also, they have a bonus. Deposit $500 plus and get a 10% deposit bonus, which I think is a really good deal. 2. Squared Financial. Next up, Squared Financial. Here's what makes it great. Fully regulated. Operating for over 21 years. Only you can access or withdraw your funds. Strong execution for automated trading. We personally tested Squared Financial for 16 plus months before recommending it to our community. Bonus, if you deposit $1,000 plus, you get a 50% deposit bonus. Isn't that just great? Coming in at number 3, IC Markets, a favorite for bot traders worldwide. IC Markets stands out because it offers multiple platform options, including MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView, so your bot can run wherever you need it. The execution speed is ultra fast, with just 1 millisecond latency, which minimizes slippage, critical for high-frequency strategies. Spreads start from 0.0 pips, which means your bot keeps more of its profits even if it trades frequently. And the VPS service guarantees 24/7 uptime and stable connectivity. That means your bot won't miss trades, even when you're sleeping. 4. CoinNex, best for US. If you're based in the United States, CoinNex is your best option. Why CoinNex? US-friendly broker. Very competitive spreads. Strong performance for bot trading. Well-verified and widely used by US traders. With bonus, deposit $500 plus and get a 100% deposit bonus. 5. Exness. Finally, Exness rounds out our top 5 brokers for 2026. Exness is perfect for bot trading because it combines fast execution to minimize slippage with VPS support for 24/7 automated trading. It offers low spreads, which is crucial for bots executing many small trades, and it gives traders full strategy freedom, so your bot can be scalping, hedge, or even trade news events without restrictions. We don't recommend brokers based on commission or hype. We recommend them based on execution quality, withdrawals, bot compatibility, real trading experience. This list is updated only when a broker earns the right to be here. Once your broker account is ready, the next step is choosing the right bot for trading. My team and I created the Wealth Flow bot to help manual traders enjoy automated trading, and we're offering you free access. Use it to make your first $100 to $500 in profit risk-free. Traders already seeing results include Graham, Czech Republic, Tulani, South Africa, James, Nigeria, Thomas, UK, Steve, UK. Test the bot now, link in the description. Sign up, start trading in just 15 minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss videos like this.